Hello, my name is Catherine and I'm practicing at Tendokan in Herlev in Denmark. I started practicing in 2000 when the dojo was founded. Today we are many students. We have children's class, youth class and adult class. And we have a big group of old students who have been there for many years. And we have a big group of beginners. And we are all practicing together, learning from each other. Thank you.
So, and this hand, cut the ground. Last moment, like Zenpo Kaiten. Rolling in. One, two, three. Hai,
Hello, my name is Christian. I'm also from Herlev in Denmark, and I started practicing Aikido to have a healthy body, to keep fit even in an older age. But I must say that over the years it has developed very much for me that the mind side of it is more and more important. Of course, a healthy body is still important, but having the mindset of Aikido in my whole life is actually something that I really take to heart, and it's what drives me in keeping practicing Aikido and gives me a lot of value. Thank you.